So if you want to go ahead and confirm if the user has entered out the correct data in the form, one of the ways to do so is by using the Field Confirmation Widget. So to do that, you can click on Add Element, and then you can go to Widgets right here. And then let me just go ahead and type in Field, and then what you have is you have a field right here. So let's just go around and type in Confirm right here, and then you can see the Field Confirmation right here. If I were to go ahead and click right here, now what happens is that it says enter data and confirm data. It's over here on the left hand side and right hand side. Let me just go ahead and say vertical right here. So you got this one. So let's say I'm going to say email, let's say for example, and then around over here, I can say email or I can say enter your email, let's say for example, and then I'm going to say enter your email again, let's say for example right here, just like this. So you can see that you got double confirmation right here. Apart from now, if I were to go ahead and preview out the form now, then this is what you have. So now if I were to type this in, if both are correct, then nothing will go wrong. But if I were to go ahead and remove it, you can see it says value does not match. So that is why the confirmation is there. So I'm just going to go around and say enter your email right here, and then it'll do the validation for me right here. So that is what you have. And if you were to go to properties, you do have the other regular contents as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the Field Confirmation Widget inside of Jotform. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.